Have you ever experienced the delight of lemon cake? Imagine a cake with a fresh taste of lemon and a touch of coconut. Today, I am excited to guide you through the process of creating this delightful treat. Welcome back to Sabrissimo, where we explore the world of deliciousness recipe together. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you wouldn't miss any of our tasty creations. To kick things off, gather 10 egg whites into a bowl. Sprinkle a pinch of salt for the perfect balance and start mixing. Gradually introduce 200 grams of sugar into the mix and make sure that the foam is just right. Now let's infuse those delightful flavor. Add a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Add 100 grams of flour and sift using a sieve to make it ultra smooth. Together with the flour, add 10 grams of baking powder for that light and fluffy texture. Mix everything gently with a spatula. Ensure no lumps are left behind. Now add 80 grams of coconut flakes. They will give our cake a tropical twist. Pour this composition into a removable baking mold of 40 by 25 centimeters. Cover the mold in parchment paper for an easy removal. Add the tray in the preheated oven at 180 Celsius degree with circular ventilation and bake for 25 minutes. While our cake is in the oven, let's whip up a dreamy filling. In the mixer bowl, pour 400 milliliters of whipping cream and 100 grams of sugar. And let's start mixing until the creamy has just the right consistency. Now, the secret ingredient: 250 grams of mascarpone. Mix it in just a bit to incorporate the creamy goodness. Pop it in the fridge to chill while we move on. Once our cake is cooled and ready, it's time to build this beauty. Trim the edges, measure, and cut them in half. Drizzle each cake layer with syrup, a recipe linked in the description box below. Spread lemon curd evenly for that citrus kick. Check our easy and perfect balanced lemon curd recipe in the description. Spread a layer of whipped cream and mascarpone mixture on top. This is where the magic truly happens. Repeat with another layer of lemon curd, building that perfect lemony harmony. Let's make it picture perfect. Decorate with swirls of cream using the piping bag. Get creative with lemon curd, berries, and mint leaves for that fresh and vibrant touch. Well, our lemon curd cake is ready. If you loved this recipe and you want more delicious ideas, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you are ready to dive into this lemony adventure. And remember, sharing is caring, so hit that share button to spread this joy of baking. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you have a blast making this lemon cake and bring a burst of sunshine to your day. Until next time, stay tuned to Sabrissimo for more tasty recipes. Happy baking! And remember, every bite tells a story.